Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with LoopNet for industrial property investing, full guide step by step clearly. Once on the home page, locate the sign up button at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to proceed to the registration page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the provided field. Next, fill in your first and last name in the respective fields. Select your primary role by choosing from the available options, such as investor, broker, or general user. If applicable, enter your company name to associate with your account. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, then check the box to agree. Once all required information is filled in, click the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Open the confirmation email and click the verification link to activate your. Once your account is activated, return to the LoopNet homepage. Log in using your email address and newly created password. After successfully logging in, navigate to the Settings or Profile section. Here, you can customize your preferences and set your search criteria. Now, explore the industrial properties listed on LoopNet. Utilize filters to narrow down your search according to your investment needs. You can save your favorite listings by clicking the Save button on each property page. Consider setting up alerts for new listings that match your criteria. These alerts will keep you informed about opportunities in real time. Engaging with the platform regularly will enhance your property investment journey. Stay updated with the latest market trends by visiting the LoopNet resource section. This will provide you with valuable insights and help you make informed decisions. As you become more familiar with LoopNet, leverage networking opportunities available through the platform. Connecting with other professionals can provide additional insights and potential partnerships. With your subscription active, you are now ready to dive into industrial property investing on LoopNet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.